Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Remote Learning. Grade 9. This is second lesson of week 2 and we are just revising our chapters. We have started our first chapter, that is Introduction to Science and Technology. Right now there is a topic branches of science. Previously we discussed about what is science, how different branches of science were evolved, what is the role of science and technology, and who were the scientists, especially Muslim scientists, who worked a lot in past, and how did the early discoveries take place in early years of evolution of sciences, role of different sciences and the results of their inventions and investigations, how the science progressed in various fields, and how the people got the better living conditions due to improvement in different areas of science. It is a vast subject. I am talking about science. We have discussed about its various branches. Let me have an overview. Physics, this is the branch of science that deal with the matter and energy. Mechanics, movement, force, sound, electricity, they are all those topics which are studied in the heading of physics. And chemistry, basically it is a branch of science that deals with the composition of matter, different types of matters and the contents of matter. Everything which is around us, it is a matter, whether it is a solid, liquid or gas. So the study of matter at the particulate level and at the chemical composition level is done in the chemistry. Now biology is a science of living thing, as the name indicate. It is made up of two words, bios and logos, mean life, and arguments, mean argumentation of life. Different living organisms are here in this universe. For example, if we talk about the types of living things, there are two types, plants and animals kingdoms. So both are studied in the different sub branches of science, that is biology. Botany is the study of plants, zoology is the study of animals, and it also includes the interaction of living things with their environment. Since our universe is diverse and it is having large amount of visible and invisible contents, so astronomy is a science that deal with the study of universe within the land and high up in the sky. And similarly, mathematics is the study of numbers and calculations. With the passage of time, improvement took place in every branch of science and advancement were added, whatever they were. One by one, if we talk about different sciences and technologies which were under their, you can say, under their headings. In maths, we are doing calculations of algebra and geometry. We are adding numbers, we are dealing with different calculations, and they are helping in our daily life. In the same way, the world is getting benefits of science in the other areas like agriculture, like medicine, and like geography. In agriculture, the modern medicines, the pesticides, the herbicides, and the sprays are made, which are not only toxic for pests but also they kill the harmful insects which destroy the agricultural products, and they also make some sprays which can improve the growth of plants or crops. Medicine, it is a vast field certain types of medicine including tablets, capsules, syrups and powdered medicines. They are available in market, but again this is a big branch with the broad topics: how medicine is invented, who was the person who invented medicines like antibiotics. So this is another topic of discussion. So basically it is the relation between pharmacy instruments and machines along with the supervision of physicians. That is how the medicines are prescribed and then dispensed to the patients. Now, geography is about the landmarks and the structures and features of Earth, whatever are they, including dry regions and wet regions, including air, water, and soil, and other terrestrial indications of land. So, different branches of science are helping us in different spheres of life. They are also related with each other. For example, biophysics, in which the biology is studied under the principles of physics, and in the same way we are having biochemistry, where biology is studied with the help of chemistry. In the same way, geophysics, different aspects of land are studied with the help of physics, and astrophysics, when the universe is studied in context with the laws of physics, is called astrophysics. Now that was all about the basic. I am just talking to you about the basic branches of science. These are very basic, and there is a broad range or broad spectrum of the branches of science, and the study is going on until unless the investigation and the life of earth is on the earth is going on. So our planet earth as the massive to be discovered, and massive is still discovered. So with the passage of time, improvement is going on in every field of science, in every branch of science, and we are getting more and more better and reliable results. Now that is all for you boys and girls. What you have to do, I have to assign you one assignment, and that is you have to do the questions of 2019 and 2020's past papers which are related with this chapter. Moreover, you will do question number 10, 11 and 12 in your copies. So do it and submit it in the Google Classroom timely. See you soon inshallah. Don't forget to do your homework and submit it timely. Thank you very much. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.